you can trust Flitz Polish to handle the toughest polishing jobs in the bath and kitchen. Safe on chrome, brushed nickel, satin finishes, ceramics, and more. Flitz Polish restores dull and oxidized stainless steel sinks, removes water spots and stains, and leaves behind a thin film of protection that keeps water beading up and rolling off for weeks. For handling today's delicate oil-rubbed and living finishes, Flitz Faucet Wax Plus is the 100% safe way to polish for long-lasting protection and shine. The Carnauba and Bees Wax formula resists fingerprints and water spots even in extreme hard water areas. Delicate enough for the most exotic finishes, yet robust enough to offer months of protection, you can trust all your fixtures to Flitz Faucet Wax Plus. Flitz Calcium Rust and Line Remover takes on all the stains hard water leaves behind. Works instantly on everything from lime and calcium buildup on faucets and shower heads, to rust and iron stains on ceramics, to soap and scum buildup on shower doors. A simple spray on, agitate, then rinse off. You'll be amazed at just how fast Flitz Calcium Rust and Line Remover gets the job done. Stainless steel looks great, but not when it's covered with grease and fingerprints. Flitz Stainless Steel and Chrome Cleaner is specifically formulated to remove the layers of oil and dirt that other cleaners simply cover up and leave behind. A simple spray on and wipe off, and you'll leave your stainless appliances looking brand new. Once your stainless is clean, it's time to enhance and protect with Flitz Stainless Steel Polish Protectant. The nano-ceramic formula bonds to the surface for hydrophobic protection that shines and lasts for months. The hard shell protection resists grease, oils, and fingerprints and makes kitchen cleanups a breeze. Keep your appliances looking showroom new with Flitz Stainless Steel Polish Protectant. Granite and stone countertops are meant to be professionally sealed every year or two, but in between those sealings is where the problems appear. Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant lays down a hard shell layer of protection that resists staining from sauces, wine, fruit juices, and more. A simple spray on and wipe off, and countertops and shower glass shed water instantly, making cleanup fast and easy. Keep your countertops looking fabulous with Flitz Granite and Glass Protectant.